I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that day. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let us thanks to Almighty God who has given us His blessings so we can make the video today in a good condition. In this occasion, Group 1 will be review the journal entitled Internationalization Strategies of the Companies via E-commerce. The first material will be explained by me. The first material is introduction. These sections explain that the company internationalization strategy through e-commerce, provides a brief overview of the research topic and its significance. These reports highlight the important e-commerce in facilitating international business expansions and identifies research gap in the literature regarding of the strategies that companies can use to internationalize through e-commerce. This section also outlines the research objective and methodology, which involve conducting interviews with companies that have successfully implemented international e-commerce strategies. Overall, this section sets the stage for providing a clear understanding of the research focus approach. Okay. Next material will be explained by Alip Setiawan. Time is yours.
Next literature review. This session explains that the company internationalization strategy to growth a commerce provides a comprehensive overview of the existing literature on this topic. This session lists this importance of commerce in facilitating international business expansion and identifies these various models and frameworks that have been proposed to explain the internationalization process. This session also discusses these benefits and challenges of commerce for SMEs and identifies these factors that influence the success of an international commerce strategy. Overall, this session provides a solid foundation for the research and help contextualize the research objective and methodology. Next material will be explained by Arya.
Okay, thank you. Next, analysis model and research hypothesis. This section explains that the company internationalization strategy through e-commerce outlines the conceptual framework and research hypothesis that guide the research. This section explains the various factors that influence the success of an international e-commerce strategy, including knowledge management, organizational culture, and market selection. He also proposed several research hypotheses that will be tested through data analysis, such as the positive relationship between e-commerce and internationalization, the impact of knowledge management on e-commerce success, and the role of organization culture in facilitating e-commerce adoption. Okay, overall, the analysis model and research hypothesis section provide a clear and structured research approach and help identify the key variable to be expanded in the research. Okay, next material will be explained by Fadilatul Jazil.
Okay, thanks. Next, research methodology. The section explains the methods used to collect and analyze data for this research. It describes the strategic choice made based on exciting literature and empirical data, and outlines data collection methods, including sample selection, validity and reliability. This section also highlights the use of qualitative investigation to uncover the meaning or interpretive perspective of a particular phenomenon for individuals. The methodology includes the creation of category in dimension, motivation, challenge, and adaptation of marketing strategy to company goals. Overall, the research methodology section provides a clear and detailed explanation of the method used in conducting research.
Okay, thanks. Next, data analysis. This section explains the methods used to analyze the data collection for the search. The section I called and explains profile, cartels, explain the review, interview, and online survey methods used to collect data. This section also includes description of value discuss used to analyze the data, including text mining, word extension, text relation, mind mapping, and cluster analysis. Additionally, this section provides reliability analysis, the description analysis of the data. Overall, the data analysis section provides a comprehensive and detailed explain of the methods used to analyze the data called for the study. Next material be explained by
Okay, thanks. The next finding and conclusion. The section explains the main finding of the research and draw conclusion based on their findings. The section begins with a brief overview of the research question and objective, followed by a summary of the main findings. Findings are presented clearly and concisely, with supporting advance from the data analysis section. The section also includes a discussion of implication of the findings for companies looking to expand their business globally through e-commerce. Finally, the section concludes with a series recommendation for future research in this area. Overall, the findings and conclusion section provides and clear and concise summary of the main findings of the study and the implicator for effective and future research. Okay, next material will be explained by Lilis Jayanti.
Okay, thanks. Next, conclusion and recommendation. This section provides a summary of the main conclusion of the study and recommendation for future research and practice. This section beginning with a statement of the research question and objective, followed by a summary of the main finding and their implication. This section when draw conclusion based on the findings and provides recommendation for future research in this area. Recommendations are presented clearly and consistently with specific suggestion for future research topic and methodologies. Overall, the conclusion and recommendation section provide a useful summary of the main contribution of this research and our valuable insight for future research and practice in the field on e-commerce and internationalization.
Okay, thanks. Next, research limitation. This session identifies the limitation of the study and suggests for future research. This session begins by acknowledging the important contribution of the study, but also highlights the limitation of the sample asset in the study. This session suggests that a more comprehensive sample cloud provide broader research and led to a better understanding of the subject under study. His session also identifies the limitation of the survey questionnaire used in the study, which was only available online, 3B limiting the collection of response. Finally, the session suggests developing research aimed at stemming the disruption of trust in consumer workforce online and in individuals who have never done so. Overall, the research limitation session provides useful lesson on the limitation of the study and offers valuable suggestions for future research in this area. Next material will be explained by Miftahul Khairon.
Okay, next the conclusion. The conclusion of the problem in the journal is this research aimed to add value by completing a gap found in previous studies and update literature about e-commerce as an international driver, helping companies develop new strategies capable of responding to new trends while maintaining competitiveness. Okay, I think enough. If there is a mistake, please forgive us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.